Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video I will complete with you the options of offer tools. As you see, we have RCS offer feed, JSON offer feed, CSV offer exports, and I will show you also some other options. So beginning with the RCS offer feed, it's referred to a feature that allows users to receive updation the available offers and promotions offered by CPAGrip. That means the users can stay informed about the latest offers, deals, and the promotion provided by CPAGrip's affiliate network. As you see when you click to the option of RCS offer feed, this page here, we can find a list of URL requests variable and their descriptions along with an example PHP script showing you how to use this tool for a virtual currency display. As you see here, there is the example. Now I will show you JSON offer feed. JavaScript object notation offer feed is a structured data format that provides detailed information about the available offers. JSON is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for computer to parse and generate, and it is commonly used for transmitting data between a server and the web application. Also here we can find a list of URL and example. As you see here, here is the JavaScript example. The example is to apply for your web page, as you see. About the CSV offer export. By exporting the offers in the CSV format, you can easily open the files in spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets and manipulate or analyze the data as needed. This feature can be useful if you want to perform further analysis, compare offers, or import the data into another system or tools for pricing. And also here we find the variable, the description of the variable and the example. And as you see, the CSV offer export is a great way to import offers from our system to yours. Now, I will pass to show you the account setting. So the account settings section in CPAGrip provide user with the ability to customize their account detail, preferences, and security settings to suit their needs as affiliates within the networks. As you see, we have the account detail. You can change the information of your account, or you can find the account details like the country, address, city, states, phone number. We have also the account overview, the Skype, email address, the name. We can change the name. Just click on the pen here and you can change the name. We can change also the company. We have the tax documents. And also we can change the password by writing the old password and the new password. Here also we have user experience setting. We can change anything we want. The time zone, we can allow web chat with other publishers. Turn off or turn on what you want, whatever you want. We have the chat sound, trigger sound when you receive chat notifications. Turn off or on as you want. And that's it. About the support, we have frequent questions and the contact. I will show you frequent questions. So here we have a lot of questions that help us to know more about CPAGrip and about how to get paid, how to get money, how to start making money like this. The first question is, how do I start making money? And here we have the answers, as you see. Second question, when I click on an offer link, it sends me to a different page. So I think this second not question but is a problem, and here is the solution. And as you see, a lot of questions and problems, and also answers and solutions, as you see. And the last options in the CPAGrip is contact. Here we can find the CPAGrip contact information. We have the email, the phone number. Also, we have the email of the manager of CPAGrip, the Skype, and how we can chat with the CPAGrip. So this is all of today, all we have for you. Thanks for watching the video, and please don't forget like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and goodbye.